How do you convert a value to a percentage in a histogram? In this example, I have a histogram counting revenue within revenue bins, and I also have the percentage of total on the bottom. Let's take a look at how to do this in Tableau. If this is your first time here, make sure you like and subscribe for more Tableau content. The easiest way to convert revenue into the percent of total is by using a table calculation. So let's bring revenue over to rows to the right of the count. And let's change it to a count. We don't want a sum, we want count of revenue for a histogram. Now I can click the drop down on count of revenue, go to quick table calculation, and choose percentage of total. Now I have the percentage. Let me show you, this is a table calculation. If you edit the table calculation, you have options on how the table calc should run. A second way to count percentage of total for a histogram is by using a level of detail calculation. Let's create a calculated field, call it %. I'm going to start by dragging in count of revenue as the numerator and divide by the total across the entire table. So I want to use an exclude statement. Let's type exclude. I want to exclude the bin. So I want Tableau to ignore the bin, put a colon, and count how many times revenue exists. Put a curly bracket after that. Exclude functions are not aggregated in Tableau. So I have a count divided by a row level calculation. So I need to sum this up. I'm going to sum my entire exclude statement. This sum of exclude statement is effectively just counting all of the records across the entire table. And the numerator is counting revenue divided by the total. Let's click apply. Okay. And drag % into the view. You can see that I get the same value. Hope this helps.